Hi, good morning, and welcome to PowerShell scripting demo session. Guys, am I audible to you? You have a chat option and everything. You can also have mic option also. Please confirm it.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you, Shamir and Ram. Okay. Guys, my intention of this demo session is it is my 56th batch on the PowerShell from 2018 onwards. It is running. So mainly this batch specialty is especially added 7.x features mainly, and second one is the advanced scripting. These are the two major changes comparing with your previous content. Almost 60% new content added for this. And this course basically going to start from the scratch, like you're a part of Python or clouds, how I started the same manner. This course I am going to start from completely from zero, completely from the basic to advanced level. And here, in Windows, already we are so many people familiar to MS-DOS, like CMD we can call in Windows. It's an extension only PowerShell. It's extension only PowerShell. It's extension only PowerShell. So from 5.1, I mean the standard stable version in Windows is a 5.1 is a PowerShell. One version number is there. But there is so many drawbacks when you come to 5.1. Okay, it's a stable version till today also. Again, I am saying to you, drawbacks means it is platform dependent. Means 5.1 you can only use in Windows only, not for other operating systems. So this 7.x, 7.5.4 is running now. 7.x is for any operating system, either Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu, or Windows. Two areas you can use it. That is a good flexibility. Previously, if you learn PowerShell only for Windows, but now the same scripting will work for Windows and Linux for automation. What is a PowerShell? Just it is a CLI, command line interface. Everything with command only. Command line interface. Command line interface for mainly automation. You're part of Windows products, maybe VMware, SQLDB, Citrix, VMware, or Azure DevOps, Azure Cloud, DevOps. AWS with PowerShell also we have. Just why? Because it's supporting cross-platform. 7.x feature here. But my intention is I'm not directly going to the advanced way, completely from the basic. From the basic, like means like ABC manner you are going to learn. How the schooling you will start, like to learn ABCD, like that. I am going to start this one. Sir, I will learn. If I am planning for learn, where I can I use it? This is the automation sections. Even, sir, why I should take the training? Already ChatGPT, DeepSeek, OpenAI, so many AI applications are there. Sir, definitely. But when you copy from the ChatGPT or any AI tool, you have the ability to modify for your requirement. You need to understand the code. Yes. So that's why, guys, in the 7.8, I am going to integrate with the AI tools also. I mean, once if you learn the advanced scripting, how to get the code integration, not only different window, integration with PowerShell 7.x with AI tools, especially DeepSeek is one of the best. Even comparing with your ChatGPT, DeepSeek is the best option. So it will give to you everything is going to search over the internet only. But how to integrate PowerShell and AI tools? This is also added. So new features. That's why I said 60% new content. One is 7.x features. Yes, completely 7.x. Next, advanced. Third, advanced scripting not previously added. Up to basic to, I can say, intermediate level, but that is also deep level. Yes. So my intention is I want to provide a 100% subject with real-time examples. With a complete VMware setup, I am going to explain like multiple servers environment. Third one is the integration with AI tools. Actually, it is not a feature, just like a when you give a question from the PowerShell, how you are getting the answer from the AI tools from your PowerShell console only. And to work or to learn this one, no nothing to install it. Why? Because by default, 5.1 version is available for every operating system in Windows. Initially, we will start with 5.1 and then we will go to the 7.x. Why? Because once we know the 5.x features and drawbacks, learning of 7.x is very easy. Almost 40 to 50% same content of 5.1 features only in the 7.x also. But once if you know 5.1, it is very easy to understand. And nothing to install. Just even if you check in your machine, type PowerShell from the start window, you have a application, not 7, like this one, blue color one, Windows PowerShell, you can able to see. Everything like command prompt only. Everything from the command prompt only. For example, now I am in this folder. Sir, no one will give to you GUI option. GUI means graphical user interface. When you join in a company, you won't get the GUI option. So many resources are required, like RAM and CPU. And the second one is automation, sir. Who is asking to you learn the command? Automation is required. A man is doing creation of 100 files for a day, example. A man, as a automation script by the PowerShell, they need to complete in 1 minute only without human intervention. I mean, day one, definitely they will write with the human being only, but next onwards, they need to do that automation. That is the power. See, now when I'm logging in this, here I have I'm in the data, something like a Lenovo. As usual, so many commands already, like to change the directory, CD command we will use. But here, what is a CD means? Every command having, this is general command, here PowerShell commands are available like that. Every command. So basics are important here. I am saying to you, it's a 50 plus hours content. 50 plus hours. The first 12 hours, 12 to 13 hours are mandatory. Without that, you cannot understand PowerShell. Sir, you are zero today. First 12 hours only deciding factor. Example, I am asking you like, please find out the files which are created. If you see so many files are there in my directory, in this current directory, presently I have so many files. Now I want to find out the files which are created in November. Let me try to create one file in the D directory. In the D directory, presently I am creating one file in front of you. my file. So I am asking a question. Please find out all files which are created in the November month or for after first or from the first November onwards. So how to find out them? How to like there is something the 12 hours only the deciding factors only here greater than or equals to first November 2025. You can see how simple I'm getting this files. You are getting now you today created file. This is the last written time, not creation time, written time. No, sir, you said creation time only, na? Yes, that is also possible. You can see the commands only important here. Name, creation time, size. You can see now this is a file creation time. File creation time. Especially log verification point, there is no best tool than PowerShell. Especially if you are using the Microsoft products, PowerShell is an important. So the first 12 hours, why I am saying to you 12 hours is important here means yes, in the 12 hours you will understand what is the command. Is a PowerShell you are telling that one CLI, command line interface. But I am completely beautiful zero. My knowledge in the PowerShell is zero. Then how can I start it? How can I start it? Hardly you will learn here 9 to 10, 9 only, not 10. 9 commands only you are going to learn. This is a one command. Like this is a one command. Actually, this is a command where I an object. It's the advanced filtration. Remember this name. Advanced filtration. Advanced filtration. It is a one command. Like that, total 9 commands only you are going to learn in this course. But if I learn 9 commands, can I learn everything? 9 commands are common for any technology. Then here, if you learn 9 commands, I am expert in the PowerShell. No, 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 no. I am telling that in the 12 sessions, you will get 9 commands. In your entire life, these 9 commands will simplify, like sort sorting, filtration, for loop parallel, sorting, format list, format table, where an object, group by, measure hyphen object, measure. So like that, total 9 commands will play the important role. Without that, you cannot understand. If I write in this way day one, who will understand this one? Who will understand what is this one? I will call in other language or who are. But here you are calling as a pipeline. What is a question mark? What is a question mark? You can see what is a question mark here? Question mark. I said now where is an object. But one fact, everything here only, the documentation. This is the original way to understand the language. Every document is available here only. The proper reading is important here. And this is a fixed timing, Monday to Friday. Even I divided as a day wise only. Guys. Completely day wise, I divided this complete course. What is the day topic and everything is available here. You can see introduction. And before that, before going to see the course content, I will inform to you one thing. There is only one live batch. Only one live batch. Morning 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. It is a Monday to Friday. Total 50 days training. 50 hours. Even if you are missing the live, or every day you will get the daily recording. Means you are attending live or not secondary. Every day you will get the daily recordings. Yes, course fees is for the 3,000. Already someone, why? Because almost I covered 55 plus batches. That's why already you are part of any previous batch. Should be inside of that group. You are an old member, please ping me. Definitely you will get a good discount. But for the new member, this is a fee. The 3,000 is a fee. And the one-time payment, there is no, again, hidden charges, completely fee. You will understand course depth after 12 days only, not end of the training. End of the training, not there. Especially reporting scripts are added in the advanced area. Like, for example, if you take how to develop a desktop applications. Desktop applications means like, sir, I'm learning PowerShell, excellent. Then tell me how to develop a web page. Web page is like a GUI based application. Let me try to create one account. In front of you only I'm logging. Oh, really? This is the first time in India. India. How to develop a bit? I'm learning PowerShell excellent for 50 days. Then after, how can I use the technology? Oh, am I going to get one code? Just give me 2 seconds time. Please wait. I'm looking for the code. Great. So I provided that code. Then after it is allowed me. So this type of screen. Sir, I am learning your PowerShell. Then what is the advanced previously attended? What is the advanced you are telling me? So this is a way we are going to create the our own applications, Windows forms we are going to create. Like 1 second, it is creating test. Like maybe you are familiar to this type of things in your school days, sorry, in your BTech, how to create like a button or a checkbox. So if you click on that button, automatically it is going to give the code to you. So how to integrate advanced functions, guys? This is a param black we can call. Param black. Already if you have an idea, it is very excellent. Param black is important. I will show you where the param black will come. Just wait. Yeah, param black. This is a one. Param black 1, param black 2. This is total related to advanced scripting area only. So just come from the beginning. Okay, introduction. Then after how to start from the zero. Same time, by default, you have a 5.1. Again, we are installing 7.x. I don't know anything. This blue screen is there. Then how can I start it? I don't know anything. Then how can I start? For every task, you have a one command. Example. If you see, I am in the D drive. I am in the D drive. So, for example, I want to create a file. Maybe creation of file directory. Everyone knows. No, 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 no. I am asking. I want to create a directory, sir. Can you? Is it possible? Or I want to create a what is that? What we can call? I want to create a file with some content. With some content, I want to create a file. Is it possible? Example, my file is there. How simple I'm creating a file? You can see like name naga.txt contents. Content inside of it. Good morning, all. You can see on the screen. Oh no, what is that? Already that file is already available. Good. See, created one file. Inside good morning all is there. No, sir. I have a one CSV file is there. Why you are saying this simple example? In that I have 100 servers are there in my production. Then I want to get the reports. Reporting scripts. You can observe here how I added this time. Reporting scripts. Reporting scripts trigger with email notification. Automated reporting scripts for more than 100 servers. Like a year I written 1,000. Again, param like I added. Even these 50 sessions will give to you core and advanced PowerShell. But again, I added some scripts you can observe. So deciding factor, operators, then after conditional statements, looping statements, yes, even exception handling, try and black. So every day it will take you 50 to 55 minutes time. Every day. 1 hour I'm saying that one, 50 to 55 minutes. And reporting scripts. No, 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 sir. You can please go to the version 7. No, no, why you're explaining in version 5, please go to the version 7. There I am going to use Visual Studio Code. Then after, I want to get the reports of my Windows servers. First of all, you can see which version is there. Get, otherwise so many ways are there. PS version table. So presently I'm using 5.1. In my same machine, again, you can observe the PS version. Okay, just have a look. Now everyone using the Visual Studio Code, now. Okay, dot is there now. Now how beautiful 7.x is come. Sir, please, could you please give me a report of my machine? See how simple I'm writing that one. But lot of changes came. You have to observe. Get a Win32 operating system. But lot of manual work reduced. See, complete your machine information when you are installed this machine and which operating system is running. You can observe here which operating system is running now presently. What is the RAM, CPU? What is the uptime? Even you can see the uptime. One factor we need to check. Sorry, just scroll down. Uptime. What is the parameter name for uptime? Guys? What is the parameter name for the uptime? Yes, are able to see?
So
Yes, are able to see the time information? Last boot of time, present time, both are available. Yes, sir.
yes,
If I do the difference of this, is it uptime? Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
The difference of these two only uptime. Any idea already old members? Simple, sir. Today you don't know. For example, just give me present. I started my machine at morning 6 o'clock. Present line time is 11 o'clock. Tell me what is the uptime? I mean, how many hours completed after your machine startup?
5
How you are
hours.
doing?
5 hours.
11 minus 6 only, na? Am I right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
I'm just how simple I'm doing. Time dot present time minus last boot up time. You can see the uptime information. Started 0 hours, 0 days, 2 hours, 849 millisecond ago, I was started. Like that, I want to get that information. Even not only in that one, I want to generate the reports, report.csv, no type information, no type information. Excellent. And you can see it is going to create a file in the D directory. One second, I have to provide full path. You can see now it is going to create a file report.csv, complete CSV file information. Even it is a web HTML, excellent. Even HTML also, we can play with HTML here. We can play with HTML here. Reporting, this is the advanced area. Reporting area is a very important point. Then already you're working in the DevOps or Azure AWS, you know the PFX certificate importance, like self-signed certificate creation or HTTPS PFX certificate creation purpose. We have a self-signed certificate and how to run the jobs backgroundly, WinRM service modules. So 43 session purely related. Even every session I'm adding all are 7.x only after 12 days and complete commands information about 7.x newly added command, especially for each loop parallel, very important. It is new command. For each hyphen object loop is there, but our parallel option. Multiple commands in a program, how to run. Parallel, multi-threading we can call. This is very new feature, important. Very important one. So, and pipeline operator, double pipeline operator, ampersand. Even this ampersand also previously not there. Ampersand means just deciding factors. Command 1, command 2. First command 1, then after command 2. Two added symbols. command 1 successfully executed, then only command 2 will work. If command 1 fail, it won't execute dependent elements. So this is also one excellent command newly added. So if you compare previously, it is related to Windows. Now PowerShell is on every platform, including cloud technologies. That is a power. That is a power. You already are working on the different clouds or Windows products. You know the power of this technology. Okay, and this is a fixed timing. There is no change. Morning 7 to 8. There is no evening batch. There is no evening batch. And batch is going to start planning as at 12. This is planning. Otherwise, I am going to start freshly from Monday. Either this 12th or Monday, any one of them. And after your payment, I am going to add one number to one group. From there, I will update you. And this is a payment process. You can use any one of them. You can use QR code, option number 1. Otherwise, you can use any of these two numbers. Any of these two numbers. After your payment, please do only one thing. Either you can use QR code. If it is not working, use numbers. Numbers. Sir, one thing you have to remember. After your registration, please send your screenshot and email ID to any one of these two numbers. You are doing payment out of these 3 methods, you can use any one of them. That is fine. You can use any one of the options. Either scan or manually you can go with any UPI application and do the payment. After that, please share the screenshot to any one of these two numbers. So why? Because again, I need to give the access for recordings also for after live. Every day live is 7 to 8 over the Zoom app. Every day over the Zoom app, you have a live sessions. Yes, guys. Any questions you have, you can ask. And believe me for the course content. And just to give me exactly 12 hours only. I'm not telling that end of the training you are going to get expert level knowledge. No. Only give me 12 hours. I will show you the math. Right.
Sir,
You
one
have,
question.
please let me know your name and you can ask the queries.
Sir, my name is Vibhav, and I have a couple of questions. So to start with, you said we would be using PowerShell 7, or we would be using VS Code. Which platform would we use?
Yes, sir. To execute especially scripts, excellent question. Here you have a ISC is there, correct? Integrated
Right.
scripting environment, but drawback is it is available up to 5.1 only, sir.
Okay. Okay.
After that, there is no tool or platform to create the scripts. Single line commands we have for the scripts not there. But in this course, we are going to work on 5.1, this old one, as well as VS course.
Okay. Sir, second question. You said we have PowerShell now on Linux as well as Windows. So would you be giving us some hands-on on Linux systems as well?
Sir, most of the time you are going to work on Linux only. Why? Because
Uh,
5 7.x not related to platform. Are you getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
7.x, just wait, I will show you.
Mm.
I'm logging to my Azure account, sir. So after learning PowerShell, where we can use it, just I'm showing to you what is the platform. This is a one PowerShell console. It's a cloud shell we can call bottom side. It's the first time it is creating storage account and everything. Is it CLI?
Yes, sir.
No, see. In Linux, to identify the operating system, which command we can use generally? Uname -a. Am I right? You can say which platform, sir, it is?
Linux and most.
Now, same PowerShell commands I am using. You can see. Even I will use in a different style than their documentation. ABC East US. You can see. Creating or not, you can observe.
You work with Azure AZ commands directly or writing?
Azure commands, excellent. Azure module, Azure commands. After learning PowerShell, you have one question. Sir, I want to work for Azure. Sir, already in the console created, but in the portal, is it created? Now it is created. See the delay? Delay is there. For example, I'm creating one more. ABCD. Is there any ABCD on the screen?
No, sir.
No. You can observe the delay. Now created, not updated, not updated, not updated, no, no, now updated. So tell me which one you are feeling easy, you are going to learn in the GUI is better or the CLI is better?
CLI is better.
Why? Because less resources. See, to open the Windows platform, so many hardware and graphical resources are required. But you can see just like a plain test. Even to learn this one, only 12 hours you can spend out of 50. Then you can observe. But live, you need to attend live only. My suggestion. If live not possible, then depend on the recorded video.
Okay, sir, one more question. To do the lab and to practice it, is there any minimum system requirement that is there?
No, there is not like that. Minimum, your Windows is working fine with at least 2 GB. That is fine for here.
Okay.
Why? Because it's the inbuilt application.
Okay. And last question, sir. In the environment, I mean, in the organization that I'm working for, it is mostly using Ansible for automation. So I'm not versed with Ansible, or I'm not versed with PowerShell either. So how do you think knowledge of PowerShell will help me in the automation and in Ansible as well?
Yes. So your Ansible it is related to DevOps. It is a platform, sir. I mean, platform in the sense like Linux is a one operating system platform. Tell me, can I use same Linux on Windows?
Yes, sir.
How can I use it? Same commands, will it work?
In Linux command on Windows?
Linux commands in
No,
Windows.
it will not work.
It
No?
will not work.
It
No,
won't
it
work.
will not work.
Only
Correct.
two technologies work here and there. Can you list out? Only first one is Python, second one is the PowerShell.
Okay.
Only two technologies. So platform level, even your Ansible is a only configuration only. I mean for deployment purpose only. Am I right? Only creation
Yes.
purpose only. Is it right or wrong? Configuration
Right.
management tool. But is it possible to monitor? Is it possible to modify? No. Again, you need to run the code. Am I right?
Correct.
You are creating 10 servers at a time on 100 machines? Possible. By the
Right.
PowerShell also it is possible. Apart from your Ansible, you can also use a desired configuration. So it's a platform tool, sir. Why? Because there is no one technology works on any platform. Even if you are using Mac also, excellent. PowerShell also available on Mac. You can ask the same question for AI. Is PowerShell works on Windows, Linux, and Mac with 7.x? Or just I'm providing nothing? Yes, PowerShell works on all platforms, sir. This is a one future, sir. From after 5.1, before 5.1, lot of changes are there. That is a major difference.
Okay. And sorry, sir, one last question. I've been taking a lot of
Yes,
time, but one
yes, yes, sir. Okay, Raman.
one last question. Is there any kind of projects that you would help us in making so that we are more confident?
Yes, sir.
Any?
After if condition, after you have a one project here, after if condition. Yeah.
Okay. Day 20, yes, I can
24,
see.
25 between you have a one project related to menu option, complete CLI based applications.
Okay.
Yes, Aarti, you can please.
Thank you.
Yes. Aarti, Chetan, you can ask the question.
Sir, I'm not well versed with the Windows command. I mean Windows, I'm
No, no,
very bad in Windows. So is it any hindrance anything, or I mean any issues with me, because I'm mainly working on Linux, so I'm very bad at Windows.
no Linux, no PowerShell, just come with zero knowledge. Really, just question
Okay.
related to platform only. The previous question, which works on any platform. If you are going to remember 9 commands only. I think Chetan, you're part of Python.
Yeah, I would like to say that your Python is very nice. I'm very happy with
What is your
the
feeling on Python? Just, I mean, day one you are complete, I believe, zero.
Yeah, but now I'm gaining confidence after 10, 15 days maybe. I'm really glad that I wanted to have learned PowerShell, but I'm very zero at Windows, sir.
Yes, just come with zero idea, zero knowledge on the PowerShell. Just what is this blue color screen? Even that one also don't know. Just come with your Windows laptop. Believe me, attend every day live. That's it.
Yes, sir. I already done that.
Yes. Just I'm telling you, I know the name. That's why I'm giving this information.
So do you also have batches on Python?
Yes, already it was started.
Okay, how many sessions have been there, sir?
Maybe I believe 10.
Yeah, around 10 to 10, 11 sessions are done.
And when is the next batch you are starting for Python?
December.
Okay, December. Okay, sir. And what is the timing?
That is morning 6 to 7. And another one, 2 batches are there, but that is one is 9 to 10. But this PowerShell is special. Why? Because I am only telling that one. If you see the previous 55 plus batches, I have not added. I mean, that time not there. 7.x features. Here clearly I added. Second one is integrating with advanced scripting. Advanced scripting. Even if you see the course content after 50 days, you can see advanced scripting area added here. Like a 5 years experienced people, how they will going to write their own scripts. Yes, param black only deciding factor. Param black only the deciding factor for the automation scripts. Fine, sir. Now, right. So this is for the demo. And if you are interested, you can use any one of these 3 modes. But please ping me.
Hi, I have one question. What is this param? If you can just
Just it is like a sub-block of in functions. For example, just assume like you are already learning this PowerShell training 40 days. Just listen. After 40 days information I am giving. Okay, you are joined today. 40 days is completed. Then there is a one question will come. So why can't I create my own organization automation? I mean, someone created, someone giving the commands. There you will understand a concept of the function. For example, get uptime or get OS or get drive info. This is your organization function. Then how can I writing it? There is a param is a sub-block, but power, if you write username, for example, salary, department, XYZ. If you see, if you call your command like normal command, are you able to see the parameters like your own command working?
okay, got it. Yeah.
Like that, we have a total 17 features for each option. I mean, if you take username, how to make mandatory, how to make pipeline, value by pipeline, value by property name, not null, allowing regular expressions, these all will be included. After 40 days, you will understand, not day one. Even someone is new, if I explain this one, they will get confusion. That's why at advanced level, I very clearly added in the advanced level scripting. Yes, after 50 days.
Naga, how many sessions this PowerShell will be?
55, sir.
55. So only one batch, 7 to 8. Am I right?
Yes, 78.
Or it will start when? When will be going to start?
Mostly I'm planning 12th, sir. Why? Because end of the at least December 31st, that is the plan. 12th, if not 17th. But 12th,
Okay. Monday, coming Monday onwards. Am I right?
12th, this Wednesday
Oh.
or Monday, any one of them.
Okay.
But once I start regularly, Monday to Friday, you have a session.
Okay, Naga. I'll pay it and send the screenshot on this one.
Yes.
Thanks, Naga.
Naga, Swami, one question, Swami.
Yes, sir.
Swami, I have one question. So, any best practices we need to follow before making the big scripts?
I mean, you're asking in PowerShell or
Yes,
general
yes, in PowerShell.
Reporting scripts. I mean, there is a deblame.
And reporting or any scripts.
Deblame. This is a area. This is important.
Okay.
There is a WMA, Windows Management Instrumentation, any type of hidden information we can get it. For example, like when your team lead is asking, they need only system name and uptime, MAC address. Like one attribute is available in one command. For example, you can say WMA object Win32. There is a bias. Bias number is important here. Bias number. Windows bias. We need to pick up the bias number and one more command like that. We one value from one command. We need to collect into one file. It is going to create without your interaction. You are going to write 100 lines of code. This is the best way to improve your skills in the scripting.
Naga, sorry, last question from my side. If I have a script to more Windows, PowerShell 7.1, I cannot execute in ISC, am I right?
No, possible. One benefit to you, if you have a one benefit, really it is a complete different. If you have a 7.x script, you can run on 5.1, possible. But if newly introduced command is there in the 7.x, that won't work.
So at the time where I need to execute on the CMDB level, commandlet level, or any client tool is there like ID?
No. From the command line, is a command line. Otherwise, we are going to use one more option, just creating the scheduling, task scheduler. Only two options only.
From Visual Studio's code, we cannot execute that.
No, possible. Here also, you can see same thing I am running or not working. Every PowerShell command is working.
Yeah, only one command, but I have thousands of lines.
Now
If I work on IST, I can find it out where is there. But in the command prompt, if I run it for thousands of lines, very difficult, no?
just to write the file name only. You can see working. Yes, I am providing only file name only. No?
Okay.
Same like your 5.1 only. There is no change here, but only new features are part of in the 7.x. Yes, Hemant, Vikram, please.
Yeah, so Naga, I just want to know how far is the MG graph important, since I belong to kind of IAM team. So do we have anything related to the MG graph? It's a new module, or how is it? Can just explain in brief. Okay, that will be the core module required for my day-to-day business activities. Yeah.
Okay, I think you are asking AWS IAM or Azure IAM.
Azure IAM, MG graph, connect MG graph. That thing is there, right? Yeah.
The question regarding AWS with PowerShell also now having good demand. That's why, not good demand, huge demand is there. AWS with PowerShell also same like commands only. Command lets are available. You can say that's why that is a question. And every service, see, some hyphen. If you complete 12 days, you will give that answer for this thing. But should be good at your AWS. Then
No, I'm saying MG graph, Azure, not
Graph.
AWS.
Graph
MG graph.
really, yes, NG Graph really not added here. If you want, I will provide to you Azure Graph connectivity in this training, but NG Graph not added.
Okay.
Yeah, I also have the same kind of question, Naga. So basically, I'm mostly into Azure and Intune. Okay.
Okay.
We need at least 3 scripts every day. Okay. So right now I'm creating with the Copilot. Okay. And I have
Yes,
the basic. Yeah.
right. Good question. You're every day using Copilot and taking the help of that, and you're writing. Am I right?
Right. So
I'm also expecting the same questions actually. If you can cover this, that would be great.
yeah. So
I
I'm
was
coming
also
to the
having the same
point.
questions.
Yeah, I'm coming
Yes,
to
yes.
the point. Like, So I know how. So once I write the script in Copilot, I can read it and I can understand. Okay, but I need to write it by my own. So that is my aim here. That is why I'm here. here
Yes.
in this course.
For that, you can give only 35 days only, not entirely training. After develop my topic, you can able to write your own code. Even
That is what my exact requirement. So
yes, even
so
not only that, even VMware PowerCLI is there. Anyone of working for VMware, they have awareness about the PowerCLI. Same concept.
PowerShell, correct.
Same concept. Definitely, I will show you that. Even I'm telling to you this answer. Not end of the day, you don't expect this one. 35 days after only you can expect this your own script writing.
Correct. So at least for troubleshooting also,
Yes.
I require this skill. So
No.
if I get
Everyone PowerShell inside, no one knows how to do the debugging. That is a big
right.
problem. Yes.
Right. If I get a script, a ready script also, if some error is there.
Yes. Even see, I'm showing to you in short. See, I'm creating the breakpoint something, and just wait 1 second. I'm going to how to do the debugging process. I'm showing to you. Are you able to see debugging option?
Yes.
With your interaction, line by line will execute. You can see line 1, line 2, yes, line 3, line 4, then end of the program. So this is the way I'm going to explain to you how to troubleshoot the issues. But really debugging, no one provide this information about the debugging. I mean, some have script having 1,000 lines. You are getting one error. How can you troubleshoot that one? And how the cursor is moving line by line. So debugging is going to play the important role. I will cover inside of this.
Okay. So, and if I learn this course, I can able to write code with mggraph. Is it possible?
Doesn't matter your second tech. Yes, tech, that is the one. Your technology is anything, just attend regularly for this one. You can write your own tech. But one thing, already you should be good at in the technology. For example, you are learning PowerShell. After learning PowerShell, can I write the code for Azure? No, sir. First, you should be good at Azure also. When you are good at Azure, now I will give the PowerShell. Then connectivity, after you can work for any type of command in the Azure. Got it? My point is clear?
Got it.
Naga, are you going to cover the topic how to convert the PowerShell script to graphical mode, GA mode?
Yes, sir. That there is a Azure Graph area. I'm going to cover it with visualization. I mean, visualization means step-by-step visualization. I'm going to cover. Yes.
Okay. Is it an inbuilt feature or do we need to install any third-party tools? Or
Third party, definitely. Without third party tool, AG Graph module, we cannot do that one. Yes. In the module section, day 50, you can observe here in the course content, day 50, somewhere you can see module section 50. Yes.
okay.
Day 50.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm ready to teach you any type of module. Why? Even if you work with any technology, how to take the module, how to work on the technology. Easily I will. But depending on your first 12 sessions only, everything work. So if you miss 12 session, you cannot understand the what is A, what is B, C, D, like that. So I want to do the filtration. I want to change the output, send it to file, send file to console, maybe filtration. There is a comma separated, some are not comma separated. Everything we are going to catch in the first 12 days only. Okay, guys, fine. And I will update you slash remaining information, but surely I'm planning hardly 12th only. Why? Because my plan is 31st December. I'm putting as ending. Maximum I'm trying. Definitely. Why? Because Saturday, Sunday excluding, we have only 40 days only. I will try to complete that one. Once if I complete 12 session properly, if you attend properly, you have a good confidence on your working technology. You are working on your organization, maybe any technology. I am not sure whether it is Azure or AWS or DevOps, VMware. But if you learn step by step, your scripts are very easy. I mean, I observed so many members and satisfied people, and they are in good position after learning these scripts. Why? Because everyone good at VMware example, but no one good at PowerCLI. They will copy from. They are depending on. They have to. I mean, down in the team. But after that, that will be excellent. Guys, anyone of previous member is there completed PowerShell now trying to join? What is the feedback? There is no planning. Anyone can give the feedback. Anyone of them?
Naga, I'm also basically I'm redoing this course because of these advanced features.
Yes, yes.
So the even I started from scratch. So whenever I feel like I'm missing something, I'm going through your videos and all. So recorded session is very helpful.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for that.
Naga, actually, I was actually I did this course. I think that 1.5 year before, and on that time I have something in my hand. So I did after your course I did some script there. But after that, I'm completely out of touch from there. So that's why I have rejoined this course. So it was on that time because I was zero in this PowerShell. But after that, I did something type of coding there. So thank you for that.
Thank you, Ratnaka. Sorry.
And I also joined during the COVID time, but I didn't use the. So again, I'm lacking to it, so I joined here.
Yes, yes, Jimmy. Thank you.
Naga, one more question from my end. So do we need to by heart any commands
No,
or anything?
nine commands you need to buy. Only nine.
Mm-hmm.
Like nine
So the
planets, like nine commandments.
okay, okay.
Okay, thank you guys. And I will update you for this slide. I mean, I'm going to take limited only. Why? Because it's only one batch. So after 4 months, again, I'm taking. So most of the time, I'm working for the clouds and trainings. It is not comfortable. And that's why this batch is planning. So please utilize this time. Again, the next batch may be in the March after only. There is no time between that. After March only, there is a chance. Okay, you can utilize it. After, guys, one thing. You're joining, you're attending live or not, every day you will get the daily recordings. But my priority, I'm telling to you, please attend for live. So more interactive. You can speak something, you have any, you can show on the screen. So every possibility will come here. That is a benefit to you. For example, while watching video, okay. But while live, if you doing some practice, same time, if you are executing, if you are getting any error, you can paste that error in the chat box. You will get good confidence.
Hey, po machuru po. Oh, kanila, complete kan like 1 hour.